Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Can-Am SPYDER ROADSTER GS LE. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Can-Am SPYDER ROADSTER GS LE with 13,194 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with decals and a windscreen. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 998cc Rotax V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 106 horsepower and 77 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel capacity, the Roadster has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 29-inch seat height and a 699-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 13 volts and installed new tires. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the front fender and a scratch on the right front fender. This TRIKE has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.